Hello guys, how are you? My name is SGP Kanaguti Sekurugudo. Yes, you are welcome back to your favorite channel, which is my channel, of course, in on the Sekurugudo Picture TV. Anyway, without further ado, I just want to remind those who are subscriber would please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Nondipa nyuku ekuramba ndichigadzira kana kuti ndichirowa maworks creating more and more content for you guys. Anyway, today I don't want to waste time. I just want to dive deep into Janasi. Anyway, I have a brand new song, you know, the Wapera Mula kana kuti Wapera. This is a refix from the song which was done by a guy on the techno and this other friend of his on the Kizzy Daniel. A song where is the oh lo 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 Buga, oh la la la, something like that. So, so next time, so I became so curious with what is really unique about this song. Let me actually search it on YouTube. I searched it on YouTube, then I got it. Then quickly, I managed to create a song out of the original one. Anyway, the beat, I would like to say shout out to these guys who made it possible. Of course, they are the guys who made the beat. I did not make the beat, so I give credit to the owners of this beat. I've put their name in the description below. You can check some of the beats that they make. They really sell beats. You can buy beats from them as well. I really like the type of beats that this guy makes. I hope in the future maybe he's gonna give me a free beat. Who knows? You know, this is how music careers kick off. Anyway, let's jump right into today's business. So in today's business, I have this song and I'm gonna play it right now. Then you are going to watch how I did this remix and a cool music studio video that I made here. I'm gonna play it from top, so I want you to listen to it and tell me what do you think.
Yay.
Shamula, une macaro, caro, caro, uno farira macaro. Buda, audi kudarikwa, audi kucharikwa.
I just want to start from top. Then, guys, I want you to watch this video together with me from top one more time. Let's do it.
Yay! You am there. Muga wende badeni.
Wapera mari.
Daddy muga wende badeni.
Wapera mari.
Oro wala begi.
Wapera. Dai wa shamula. Shamula. Une macaro, caro, caro. Uno farira macaro.
Buda.
Audi kudarikwa, audi kucharikwa. Mubiri kupunda kungona karo wacho simba. Iwe uchati piringa.
Buda.
Kuchikoro bindiko kwa zinopera. Wolololo, Buda. Wolololo, Buda. Wane zungu kani. Wolololo, Buda. Wolololo, Buda. Ulangondo makuseni seni kupinda bawa.
Buda.
Unangondo
Buda.
suwarubira unenge wataburoka. Dai watikama tikama saite zungu senge java.
Buda.
Pakufura chikwama chowo mamsoro senge kwava usaite zungu ne maure jaindi onoro wapegirese mchiraundi wamboti shampopo ukambogocha chipoko kutorwa mafoto uchirova doro zvinowapera olololo vatiza olololo buda vane dzungu mune dzungu kani olololo buti olololo buda wapera mula buda shamula buda unoda mafaro garo karo unofarira mapero apero audi kudarikwa audi kucharikwa muviri kubunda kungona garo watozimba iwe ucha buda tosorota olololo buda vane dzungu kani olololo buda taga one budi vane dzungu vekumaraini kwako budi mudyiwa yey iwe mdala
so mazvidzwira guys mazvidzwira zvanzi taga one mudhara ane mavende wekumaraini kwako anofanira kunge aine dumbu zvakare usazotage vaya vasingageze vanenge ana fan ndasingade kuti fantani ndaida kutaura hangu kuti vana fanwell ndo zvandaida hangu kutaura pashuwa chaipo guys please song ndakupa izvo kuti muzonotaurira fantani kuti pane zvandakataura izvo ina handisisimo madhiri wayo.